Hello everyone. My wife and I bought our washer and dryer set over a year ago. It's a beautiful Kenmore 600 series triple action high efficiency. Now, when you turn this washer and dryer set on, you push the button and you have a wonderful little chime that comes on. As you choose between the functions, it beeps. Now, one day when we were doing laundry, we noticed that the beep was not there. Still selecting all the cycles, but there's no sound. Turn it off, no sound. Turn it back on, no sound. Simply because when we were messing with the cycle signal, we held the button down too long. And we didn't realize it. It took us a while to realize that we can adjust the cycle signal higher or lower by pushing this button. But if you push it and hold it by mistake for too long, you shut the cycle signal off completely. So now it's back on. That's the way we like it. So I wanted to share that with you today in case you have one of these washer dryer sets and your signal goes off and you don't know how to get it back on.